Okay, this is how to make a classical window in SketchUp. First of all, we can use the rectangle in here to make the base plane in here. Okay, approximately just like this. Then we can select make group. Okay, and then we can select a tape measure tool. We can place the tape measure tool in here. Then we can place the tape measure tool again in here. Then we can make the green axis in here. Then we can rotate this one. We can select a move duplicate. We can move tab control, and we can type 1.5 meter in here for the width of this window, side window. Then we can rotate. So we can rotate 45 degree in here, and also this one we can rotate. Click and type 45 degree. Okay, so this is 1.5 meter in here, and then we can make the 1.5 meter on there, but we can make the line in here. Okay, and we can select move. Okay, then we can click this line, select move, tab control, type 1.5 meter in here. Okay, and also this one. Okay, we can draw the line in here on the magenta axis. Then we can type 1.5 meter in here. Okay, and after that we can erase an unnecessary line in here. We can erase, and also erase. Okay, and then we can double click this 3 line in here and offset it outside 150 millimeter in here. Okay, and after that we can push it up around 3.5 meter in here. Okay, then we can double click and make group and erase some unnecessary line over there, erase some unnecessary line over there in here. Then we can click the tape measure tool again, move it up, type 600 millimeter in here. Again, type 600 millimeter. We can make the guidelines 600 millimeter and move to the up position 2.2 meter in here, and also in this one 2.2 meter, and also this one 2.2 meter in here. Okay, and after that we can triple click. Okay, we can make the rectangle for every single side in here. Can make the rectangle and make the line for every single side over there. Okay, then we can offset it inside. Click offset it inside around 100 millimeter. This one 100 millimeter in here, and push it until the limit, and push it to the limit, and also that one. Okay, now we can draw the rectangle in here. Okay, then click the surface and offset it inside 60, and right click and erase, then click the surface and 120 millimeter, triple click, right click and make group. Okay, then we can make the rectangle in here, offset it inside. Okay, we can offset it inside around 70. Right click, erase, then click the surface and type 40. Okay, then we can triple click and make group. Then we can make the rectangle in here and click and push it up around 20 millimeter. Triple click, right click, make component and just create. Okay, then we can select a move, tab control, and place it to the position, type / and enter in here. Okay, click, and okay, we can just rotate that one 90 degree in here. Okay, we can move to that position, right click and make unique. Okay, and push it up in here and push it down in here. So this is the result, and we can erase some unnecessary object over there. Place to that position and place it to position in here. Then we can select middle and place it to position, triple click and make group. Okay, and after that we can select the glass and assign the blue glazing in here. Okay, we can right click and make group. Okay, we can select move and place to the position here. Okay, again select move and place to the position. Okay, right click, make group. Okay, and make group, then we can select move, tap control and place to the position. Okay, then we can select move, tap control and place to the position. Okay, and that one. Okay, now we can select the line in here and place from this every single line over there, and triple click and offset it inside. Okay, we can triple click, sorry. Okay, we can draw the line again in here. Okay, triple click, sorry. Okay, triple click, offset it inside again around 550 millimeter in here, and you can type 500 millimeter in here. Then offset it inside around 30, and offset it inside around 30. Push it to the behind 400 millimeter. Okay, we can triple click and make group. Okay, then we can make the double door swing in here. We can give the thickness around 3 millimeter, 30 millimeter. Offset it inside. Okay, offset it inside again and push it to the behind. You can double click and make group, and also make component, create. Select move, tap control, place the position in here. Okay, and select move, tap control and place. Okay, so we have to make unique. Triple click and just select on this position only and place to the position, and select move, tap control and place to the position in here. Okay, then we can select move, tap control. Okay, and place, and select move, place to that one. Okay, so we can make another sailing system in here. Okay, make group, then we can erase some unnecessary line over there. We can erase. Okay, right now we can make the another wall system in here. Maybe we can choose this wall system in here to make it more representative. Then we can make another sailing. We can make another sailing. Okay, maybe that one. That's it's enough. Okay, and after that maybe we can make another wall in here. Make the rotate rectangle in here. Okay, type 150 millimeter and push it up. Can triple click, make group and select move, tap control and place the position in here and assign that one. Okay, so maybe we can make another skirting. Okay, and select move, tap control and place to that position in here. So okay, we can make another sailing representative in here. It's just representative sailing, and then we can add a component in here. We can add component about like that. Okay, and then now we can activate about the shadow in here, or we can set up about the shadow like this. Okay, I think we just deactivate the shadow to make it more clear anyway. And this one, and it's done. So you can learn about the 3D model of window by your own device anyway. Thank you for watching.